Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The Best Sugar Test is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone looking to manage their health proactively, offering a convenient and accessible way to monitor blood glucose levels right from the comfort of their home, which is crucial for individuals with diabetes, prediabetes, or those simply aiming for a healthier lifestyle by understanding their body's response to diet and exercise. Number 5. AUVON DSW Blood Glucose Monitor Kit. Introducing the AUVON Blood Glucose Monitor Kit, your reliable partner for accurate diabetes testing. This comprehensive kit ensures you have everything you need for precise measurements. Our device exceeds international standards, functioning within a 10% margin of laboratory values. This ensures you get readings that are not only precise but also trustworthy. Experience unparalleled accuracy with our cutting-edge test strips. Manufactured using advanced techniques, they guarantee stable, precise, and reliable blood glucose measurements every time. Keep track of your health journey with ease. It automatically stores test results with time and date, providing continuous 7, 14, and 30-day averages for better health management. This all-in-one kit includes the monitor, 100 test strips, 100 lancets, a lancing device, and user guides. It's designed for your convenience and peace of mind. We're here to help you achieve optimal testing results. Watch our instructional videos for guidance, and our friendly customer support is always ready to answer your questions. What we like. This kit offers exceptional accuracy, exceeding international standards for reliable readings. Its cutting-edge test strips ensure precision with every use. If you prioritize accuracy and long-term value with a lifetime warranty, this is the choice for you. What people say. The glucose meter is very easy to use and provides accurate readings. The lancet device is comfortable and requires minimal pain. The test strips are individually wrapped, ensuring hygiene and preventing contamination. Number 4. Accu-Chek Guide Blood Sugar Test Strips. Monitor your blood sugar levels with ease. These test strips provide accurate and reliable results for your daily health management. Specifically designed for the Accu-Chek Guide meter, ensuring seamless integration and optimal performance. Get the readings you can trust. This value pack contains 100 test strips, offering a convenient and cost-effective solution for your testing needs. Stay prepared for longer. Simply apply a small drop of blood and get your result in seconds. They are designed for straightforward and hassle-free testing. Take control of your diabetes with precise measurements. Consistent monitoring helps you make informed decisions about your health. Trust in the quality and accuracy of these strips for your peace of mind. They are a vital tool for managing your condition effectively. What we like. This product is specifically designed for the Accu-Chek Guide system, ensuring seamless compatibility and performance. With a generous pack of 100 strips, it offers convenience for regular testing. If you already own an Accu-Chek Guide meter and need a reliable supply of test strips, this is your go-to option. What people say. The glucose meter is very accurate and easy to use. I love the large display on this glucose meter, it makes reading the results so much easier. The lancet device is comfortable and virtually painless. Number 3. LinkSun G-425-2V Blood Glucose Monitor Kit. Introducing the LinkSun G-425-2V Blood Glucose Monitor Kit. It's designed for simple and accurate blood sugar testing right at home. Experience peace of mind with its advanced technology, ensuring accurate readings that comply with strict standards. You can trust its performance. Using it is incredibly easy. Just insert a test strip to start, with no complicated coding required. A quick guide is included to help you every step of the way. Get your results in just 5 seconds. It also features adjustable lancing depths for a more comfortable testing experience tailored to your needs. The large, clear display makes it easy to read your results, especially for seniors. Everything you need is conveniently displayed. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: the monitor, 100 test strips, 100 lancets, a lancing device, control solution, and a travel bag. Managing your diabetes has never been easier. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for blood glucose testing, even a control solution and a travel organizer bag. Its large display makes reading results easy, especially for those with visual impairments. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution with user-friendly features and portability, this kit is ideal. What people say. The glucose meter is very accurate and easy to use. I like the large display and the comfortable grip of the Lancet device. The test strips are individually wrapped, which keeps them fresh and prevents contamination. Number 2. AUVON DSW Blood Glucose Monitor Kit. Introducing the AUVON Blood Glucose Monitor Kit, your reliable partner for managing diabetes. This all-in-one kit provides everything you need for accurate and convenient blood sugar testing. Experience high accuracy with our easy-to-use system. Even first-time users can get accurate results in just 5 simple steps, with helpful guides available to ensure proper operation. Our device exceeds international accuracy standards, ensuring reliable readings that are more precise than required. It's manufactured in facilities approved by CE, GMP, and ISO. We utilize cutting-edge test strips with advanced technology for stable, precise, and accurate blood glucose measurements. Repurchasing them is also budget-friendly. Easily keep track of your health with our device. It provides continuous average results for 7, 14, and 30 days, helping you manage your health effectively. Results are available in just 6 seconds. This comprehensive kit includes the monitor, test strips, lancets, lancing device, log book, and a convenient storage bag. You'll have everything you need for on-the-go testing. What we like. This compact and portable blood glucose monitor kit is perfect for on-the-go testing. It provides accurate readings and comes with a log book to help you track your health data. If you need a discreet and reliable device for managing your diabetes while traveling or simply prefer a smaller kit, this is an excellent option. What people say. The glucose meter is very accurate and easy to use. I like the large display and the comfortable grip of the Lancet device. The test strips are individually wrapped, which keeps them fresh and sterile. Number 1. Metene TD 4116 Blood Glucose Monitor Kit. Introducing the Metene TD 4116, an advanced glucometer kit designed for precise and dependable blood sugar control. It comes with a control solution to ensure the accuracy of your readings. This blood glucose monitor features a code-free design for immediate use upon inserting a strip. A quick guide provides clear, easy-to-follow instructions for testing. Get your blood glucose value in just 7 seconds with only 0.7 microliters of blood. This fast and efficient process minimizes discomfort during testing. Track your glucose trends more effectively with 4 recording modes and ample storage for 450 readings. It offers convenient diabetes management insights for you and your healthcare provider. Designed with the elderly in mind, it includes 4 reminder alarms to prompt timely testing. The larger display ensures results are shown clearly and are easy to read. What we like. Designed with the elderly in mind, this monitor features a large, clear display and helpful reminder alarms to ensure timely testing. It also includes control solution for verifying accuracy. If you are looking for a monitor that is easy to read and use for seniors, this is a considerate choice. What people say. The product works well and is easy to use. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well in any kitchen. It has a variety of useful features that make it stand out from competitors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.